Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. It's time to start building our dream. So, Ruby's got a little bit of an upgrade, and yeah, I'm set up in the front yard. But this is a brand new CVT Mount Washington tent. I'm going to give you guys a quick preview. So far, I love it. This is just like their high-end tents at a budget price. The tent was originally $4 grand. Right now, they had them on sale, and I think I got a pretty good deal for what I got. The best part and the only reason I didn't go with any other brand is the simple fact this one's got a hardshell with a roof rack, so I can haul my kayaks, and that is extremely important for the way I like to travel. I like to take my kayak and go do stuff. So check this thing out. First off, check out the outside. All right, so we got the tents over here. I got it set up in the front yard. So I definitely need to cut my grass, but let's do a quick walk around. So I was not expecting this to come with an awning. This was an added bonus, and it's absolutely awesome. It was buried in the box, and I love it. But let's go inside real quick. As you see, nice little shaded area for a couple of chairs, tables, and what have you. I mean, it's a pretty good little space. You do have to stake it down. I tell you what, I did not know how important a shoe bag was until I just went on my last trip. And if you'll notice here, I got Georgia red clay all over the ladder, and that would have been all inside my tent, stained my brand new tent, and I would not have been happy. So shoe bags are important, and these are good quality. As you can see, here's where the liner connects. It zips all the way around. All right. This mattress. Now, this is not the thickest mattress. This is an 1.5 inch thick. Their premium Mount Theseus version, it's like $5 grand. It's got a larger mattress. It's like 4 inches. But this thing was comfortable. You know, it's a lot better than sleeping in a tent with an air mattress on gravel. I did that for about a week, and then I picked up this tent, and I'm absolutely satisfied. I slept like a baby, and this thing held up to the wind. So it was dumping rain last night where we were up in North Carolina, high wind gusts, and you know, it almost sounded like a tornado, and I felt safe and comfortable. As you can see, it's got the standard, you know, flip up metal bars. You stick those in, and it holds up the awning on the back here. Same thing with the windows. Get a little awning cover for the window, and then this is a no seam mesh, and then it's got a liner just like this on the inside. The top you can see through. You do get some air through there. You can have the mesh, and then you can also close it up to where it's just a canvas. So it's 2 layers there. Now another thing it's got is these little plastic windows, and I'll show you those real quick. These just Velcro in, so if you want, you know, colder weather, snow or something, you could put these in there and give you a little bit of a barrier for being cool. All you gotta do, the other option is if you want to fold these down, you can fold them down, put the little grommet through here, and that's how I basically have kept this side. The issue is, you know, I could mount this, but with my safari rack, I can't put the pop-up for this side, but it's there if you got an open roof. Now the best part, and the only reason I went with this version, is right here, the roof rack. Okay, I can haul my kayaks again on here, and I don't like the J bars. My kayak is a vibe. It's heavy, but you know, once you put something on these, you can't use it, and these weren't quite high enough to clear the roof basket. So dropping these down, the Thule Rack is plenty strong. I mean, this thing is plenty strong, and don't underestimate the Thule Racks. The good thing is they are adjustable up and down, unlike the Yakimas and others you have to take completely apart. And so it's versatile. If I want to go cab height, I can do cab height. If I want to go shorter or half bed height, I could go half bed height. But this is about the lowest it will go without interfering with the bed down here. And this is currently at, I think, 19-20 inches in height. And it's perfect because you got 10 inches here, and that's just enough to get the nose of the boat over the safari rack. But with that being said, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.